Hey guys and girls, are you ready to talk some more about circles? Because today I'm going to teach you how to make triangles, including a very special one, using circles in Minecraft. Now last time I said there was going to be some math, but it's very easy and we're not even going to use numbers. As a matter of fact, I'm not even going to tell you how large this circle is because it will work with any size circle. Now I will say larger is better because it's more accurate. Now to get started on our circle that we have here, we're going to make a point on the outside edge that will become the center of a new circle that we're going to draw, that is going to be the same size as the last one. Now we only need a small segment, enough to go through the middle point of our first circle, to and through the outside. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And I've gone ahead and made our arc going through the yellow center to the outside, and where the two lines meet, I made a blue wool. And that's going to be the center point for our last arc, which will go through where the red wool is, over to the yellow wool. We'll go ahead and do that now. And here it is. Now all we have to do to finish our triangle is put straight lines in between these three intersecting points. And after you're done putting in your lines, you're left with what's called an equilateral triangle, meaning that all three sides are the same length, all three angles are the same, 6 degrees or pi 3 radians for you trig kids. Now I feel the need to mention that the center point of your second circle does not have to be straight across on the grid from your first one. You can put it anywhere on this line, repeat the same process, and get another equilateral triangle of the same size as this one. Now let's go ahead and talk about the shape I mentioned earlier. This outside edge is called a rouleau triangle. It has a very special property. It is a shape of constant width. So if I stand on one of the corners of this triangle and I look across to this red wool, it is the same width the whole way across to the yellow wool. And if I go stand on the yellow wool, look across to the red one, same width again, all the way across. And then add the red wool from the blue to the yellow. Now any odd-sided figure can be made into a shape of constant width, including pentagons, which we can make using a similar process to that one, albeit more complex, and that might be another episode. So if you get tired of squares, triangles, and even circles in your builds, you can try one of these. Now how do you apply something like this to your build? Let's go over here and see. What I did was I made this circle, completed the red and the blue circles. You can still see my wool. Filled in all the lines, made every shape a different elevation, and added some features. Anyway, I hope you guys learned something and got some inspiration. Stay tuned because next time we move into the third dimension. Thanks for watching and all the support, and until next time, keep your stick on the ice.